He who is not courageous enough to take risks will accomplish nothing in life. Good morning, students. We are living in a time of pandemic where digital technology is a benefit for us. Students, I hope you all are safe at home and completed your holidays homework. Now be ready for your online class. As before vacation, we have already done chapter 1, Letter to God. So today we are going to start Unit 3rd, chapter 1, His First Flight. This is a story about a young seagull who is afraid of flying. Before we start the chapter, let me introduce you with the author of the chapter, Liam O'Flaherty. Liam O'Flaherty was born in 1896 and died in 1984. He was an Irish novelist and a short story writer. At the age of 27, his first novel, Thy Neighbour's Wife, was published. And he was also a founding member of the Communist Party of Ireland. So students, here is a summary of the chapter. His First Flight, written by Liam O'Flaherty, is a true parable. Parable means a simple story used to illustrate a moral about overcoming fears in life. Every journey of 1,000 miles begins with but a single step. But that single step is the most difficult one to make. This is a story about a young seagull. He was sitting alone on a ledge. He was trying to muster up courage to fly for the first time. He was hungry and looking down desperately at the vast expanse of sea that stretched down beneath his ledge. His 2 brothers and sister already learned to fly. However, he was afraid to fly. They left him alone without food. He had tried several times to run forward to the brink of the ledge and flapped his wings, but he was not confident that his wings would support him. So he rushed back to his hole under the ledge and slept for the night. His parents had tried countless times to make him fly, but even the encouraging words of his parents, their yellings and their scolding failed to make him fly. They felt frustrated and taught his brothers and sister the fine art of flying, swimming, and diving for fish. They have not given him anything to eat from the last 24 hours. He thought he was going to starve to death. Even his mother was not looking at him. She was tearing a piece of fish with her beak. The sight of food maddened him. He cried at her. Suddenly, he felt joy. His mother was approaching him with food, but she stopped, keeping the fish just out of his reach. She was trying to tempt him. Maddened by hunger, he dived at the fish. But his mother flew upward and he started falling down. He was terrified and felt as if his heart would stop beating. He could not hear anything but the terror-stricken state lasted just for a minute. The next moment, he realized that he was flying. He was happy because he was born to fly and he had made his, first flight. So here the author, Liam O'Flaherty, was a keen observer of sea life, and he believed that man has a lot to learn from nature. He is given a human touch to the seagull's plight, so that the reader is reminded of the nervousness he too might experience before doing something new. Theme of the story, his first flight. His first flight is a story about overcoming fears in life. It highlights the fact that every journey starts with a single step, which is the most difficult one to make. One must triumph, miss victory over fears. The story also highlights that one should have self-belief and confidence. It brings into light the need for motivation and encouragement that help to achieve goals in life. As in the story, the young seagull lacked confidence in his own ability to fly. But once he started flying, his confidence in himself was restored. If one remains a coward for his or her entire life, one will be deprived of all the joys of life. While narrating the plight of the young seagull, the author wants the reader to identify his or her fears and nervousness that he or she might have experienced before doing something new. Students, in the next video, I am going to explain you about the title of the story and we will do explanation of the chapter.